Hi, this is Dale, and I want to go over some basic animation. We're talking about this slow fade that you're getting from, and it slowly drifts down. Well, what you're doing here, you know how the it's getting smaller and smaller and smaller, and then if you go back, well, you've got camera keyframes here, and if you go down to this to the next keyframe, you'll notice you have a keyframe here for translation. But somewhere in here you have a camera keyframe, okay? And let's see, let's go on to the next one. You got a camera keyframe for rolling, and you got a camera keyframe right here. This one right here is camera zoom. Now, if I delete that keyframe, okay, you're still having, let me get rid of the roll. Okay, so you got camera effects here going on. And let's go down the timeline again. And oh, see, you got keyframes here. Now delete them. Now let's see what happens. Ah, no more size change. Okay, because I got rid of all your camera keyframes. One of the things you got to realize is, and I'm going to go into this kind of quickly, is that let's say I come down to frame 120, okay, and I zoom the camera in. So I'm going to zoom the camera or zoom the camera out because the thing's getting smaller. Excuse me. So now you got a keyframe there, and you get this slow drift because you have a keyframe at 0 in here. Now, what you want to do is like you want to keep it the same size, and then for uh, 24 frames, 1 second, you want it to fade back. So what you got to do is you got to Control Copy, Control V, and now I've added this key here, and it keeps it from moving down. Let me take a look, show you on a motion graph. Well, let's see if this, yeah, this key doesn't show up on. Okay, there it is. So here's the, see it that 1, okay, which is what the camera set at. And see how it goes down the motion graph to 0.72? So there's your motion. Now, if you delete this, you've got this motion going through the entire animation up to frame 120. If you come here, okay, and add a key, okay, and then move this key upward, you're doing the same thing now, okay? And this principle works with everything in computer animation. Same thing would happen as if you put a bone in the arm, okay, and you don't want it to move until frame 96, okay, but you put the end frame on 120, that's what's going to happen. So I hope you understand what's going on with your file. Okay, if you have any more questions, just post and we'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching.